and this is 10 minutes of Star Stable. Starting now. So it's been a little while for me. I am so sorry, I haven't played in like forever. Look at my poor horse, baby girl. She needs a little work. So let's run into our barn and take care of her. I feel so bad. I'm like the worst horse owner ever. Let's go into our barn. Into my barn. All my horses are nice and in their stalls, but I have no stable care. Ah, my poor horse. Should I take care of it myself or should I just hire somebody? I'm gonna hire someone. All right, let's pick out someone. Yes, hello, I need some care. Let's do this for, I don't know, can we go 7 days? Yeah, is that good? All right, thank you. Yeah, transaction, shake on it. Good job. I hired a new stable hand. So now my horse is just a little unhappy and all my other horses are being taken care of. So I really don't need to stay around here and do all of that. I don't even know what's new in Star Stable right now. I don't know what quest I left off on. I've been so crazy, so busy that I haven't had a lot of time to play my favorite game. So let's go and see what we can get into today. I did hear that we could pet our horses now. So let's run off into the field and do that. Let's go find a really pretty background because I think it's really important that our horses get outside. We get outside into nature and have fun with our horse to really connect with our horses. So I gotta get in front of my horse. All right, let's walk in front of the horse. He's like eating grass all the time now. And now that I'm here, I click on its head. Am I petting the horse? What's happening? I'm too far away. Okay, we gotta get a little closer. There we go. Now let's try this again. Click on the head. It's an air pet. I'm like, here you go, horse, but I am nowhere near it. All right, let's try getting really close to the horse this time. The camera is not letting me get any closer. Here we go. Come on. Is that as close as I can get? And we're see, and it pushed me back. So I'm like, yeah, okay. Well, the horse seemed to enjoy the air attention, so we're just gonna run with that. It's messed up, man. For some reason, I can't do that. Okay, let's see. What quests do we have? I really want to do a quest. I want to open new lands. So let's see what's available. Hidden camera, 3rd day of blacksmithing. That is so difficult. I'm not even trying that right now. Ghost fisherman. The Right Thing book. Harvest time. Big cleanup. Come on. It's gotta be something fun. What's the unbeatable pet? Goldsberg Mill. I don't even remember what that is. I don't know. Let's go. Something easy. The riderless horse in Moreland Stables. Let's try that. That sounds like fun. And hopefully we haven't wasted too much time trying to pet the horse, that we have enough time to get through an actual quest. So here we go to Horseland. Oh, sorry, wrong game. Moreland. I really do love the show Horseland. I wish they never stopped making it. It was one of my favorite cartoons. But now it's like all about spirit. Yeah, so my loyalty would have changed anyway. Let's go to Moreland Stables. Play some shillings and we're on our way. 2 more. Hey, that's a new picture. I don't remember seeing that picture before. It's pretty awesome. Let's close that window because it's like all extra in the way. And I don't know who we're supposed to talk to. I wasn't really paying attention. Let's look for somebody with a yellow little exclamation mark above their head. Maybe they're inside the barn. Let's try going inside the barn. We're gonna waste all our time looking for this person. I should have like mapped this out ahead of time. But I was like, you know what, let's just play. And that's what's happening today. We're like, let's just go in the game and play and see what happens. And this is what happens when you don't prepare. All right, hey, there we go. How did we miss that? We totally missed her. I don't suppose you lost a horse? A big dabbled girl? No, I didn't. Well, you know what? Probably just go check it out for yourself. See if you can find any leads about who she belongs to. Alright, yeah, she'd be over at the dock and the beach just over there. Head over to the dock west of Moreland Stables to investigate the mystery horse. I love this. It's a mystery! So the docks are... I think I have to go out and around. We're heading over to the dock to find a mystery horse. You've been watching Free Reign? Because I've been watching Free Reign. They love the... What was it called? The ghost horse? What did she call that horse that was like in the woods? I don't remember. Alright. My memory is horrible today. Here are the docks. I think is this the dock that I was supposed to go to? That's a negative. It's not. It's the wrong one. Okay, this is the west. Never, yeah, it's gotta be this way. And I see a little green dot down there on my map. So we're gonna head that direction and see if we can find who we're looking for. Oh, riding a horse on the beach. Well, there we go, yeah. Look at that horse. Ooh, aren't you a pretty girl? Look at you. This must be the horse Maya was talking about. Yeah, it must be. So, what do we do now? Yay. Okay, there's a note attached to the bridle. Ooh, I gotta walk over there and see what the note is. What does it say? Property of the amazing Yaris. If found, please return to Milner's Highland along with any cargo you shall find. Oh, okay. P.S. In case of stubbornness, use cookies. I don't think I have any cookies. Not too many though, no matter how much she begs. Okay, so you have to use just the right amount of cookies. Give mysterious horse a cookie and then escort it to that dude. All right, let's do that. Oh, well, it must have happened already. Where did she go? Where did she go? The horse stopped. Oh, I have to stay right next to the horse. Okay, it's one of those where you have to keep up with the horse the whole time and she's carrying stuff on her back. Where are you going, horse? Slow down! Wait, don't go so fast! Okay, I'll stay close. If the horse, I'm trying to stay close! Magical yellow words! There we go. This horse is like all over the place. And then my horse doesn't want to listen, so just follow the horse. Just follow it up the hill. I am really bad at this. I either go too fast or I go too slow. Gotta find that, Goldilocks magic speed there. Just right. And this is a lot of stop and go. Okay, here we go. And we're almost there. I know I'm too far away. I'm going to go closer. She's like, can you just canter already? But when I canter, it goes too fast. So let's just try to have a healthy trot. Nope, too fast. Right there. There we go, right? That works? No, now she decides to go faster. Where are you, horse? Where'd you go? Oh, he was waiting for me. Or she was waiting for me. I don't know. We gotta find it again. There it is. Here we go up the hill. Yay! We did it! What's up, dude? We found your horse. Now, how come he can get close to my horse, but I can't? Maybe because I was on a hill. Let me back up. Alright, guy. Yeah, so we found your horse. Stop! Do not tell me who you are. The amazing Yaris knows all! Oh, cool. Okay. I am Yaris! Yaris the amazing, the magnificent, the phenomenal! And I even have glittering sounds going on right now. Because that's my timer! So we gotta figure out what was going on. And he's psychic. Remove the mask from the box and place it on the pedestal. Do I have time to do that? No, I don't have time to do that. So I'm gonna have to say no. And I'll have to finish this next time because I'm really trying to be good now about staying to my 10 minutes. So we'll make more. As long as I can stay in my time frame. So at least we found the mysterious horse and we brought it back to, this circus dude, and we'll have to see what happens next time. So thank you so much for joining me for 10 minutes of Star Stable. I am Froggy, also known as Sophia Frog Song. I'm on the Night Star server, so if you see me, please come by and say hi. Until next time, bye! Let me just walk off into the sunset. Come on. No, no, they're not letting me. I didn't want to do this quest right now, dude. It's not good timing. No, I just want to walk off into the sunset with my horse. Here we go. Let's get a good angle shot. And there we go. Ha! I did it.